guys, what's up? So I'm coming at you with a bare face today because we are going to do a full get ready with me using some new Moto brushes. So if you would like to see what's inside this box, as well as see the get ready with me, then just stay tuned. And inside this box, we have the Keep It Classy Metallic Purple Eye Flip Kit. This does come with a little flip case. So you can put all your brushes inside, and then when you want to use them, you can just literally flip that case open, flip it around, and it doubles as like a brush stand. This kit includes a crease brush, a small shader brush, a glam topper brush, a detail brush, a brow groomer brush, and a fine liner brush. They also sent over the Keep It Classy kit in yellow and pink. This is totally giving Clueless vibes for me. I don't know about you guys, but I am in love. And this kit includes a powder brush, an angle stippler brush, a shader brush, a crease brush, a smoky eye brush, an angle liner brush, and a pointed lip brush. Per usual, these Moto brushes are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. They have waterproof handles with that houndstooth pattern, professional quality filaments, and aluminum ferrules secure filaments. So these are going to be heavy duty without breaking the bank. So let's jump into a little get ready with me using the new Keep It Classy kits by Moto brushes. All right, so I filmed the clips that you guys just saw yesterday. I did a look with the brushes, didn't like how it came out. So we are doing it all again. Today, I'm going to be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is a new product for me. This says it's a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. It says our unique fast absorbing cream provides water replenishment throughout the day by absorbing moisture from the air for continuous comfort and moisture balanced healthy looking skin. This Ultra Hydrator helps to strengthen the skin barrier and is formulated with squalane, highly effective at helping to maintain the skin's moisture, and glacial glycoprotein extracted from microorganisms in sea glaciers and notable for its ability to thrive in severe climates. So yeah, this is a new product for me. I'm just going to try it today and see how it goes. We're going to be using this angle stippler, which is perfect for creams and liquids, even powder products as well. But I really like these kind of brushes for creams and liquids. Ooh, that's really nice on the skin. All right, so while I let that moisturizer soak in, I'm going to be using the groomer / angle brow brush, and we're just going to do our brows. All right, so I'm just taking that powder brush and setting my foundation. And I'll probably use this same brush for my contour and my blush as well. Okay, so while my setting spray melts my makeup into place, I'm going to go make myself a Liquid IV. So Liquid IV was kind enough to send over not one, not two, but 3 bags of their products. So we've got the Hydration Multiplier. This is like a variety pack. We've got the Hydration Multiplier in Strawberry, and then we have the Energy Multiplier, which I've never tried before, and this is in the flavor Mango Tamarind. And I love everything mango, so I know I'm gonna love this, and I'm really, really excited to try the energy version of this. I use Liquid IV all the time, you guys. I buy it at Costco in like bulk because I'm in a band, if you guys didn't know, and I love drinking this stuff on stage. It keeps me hydrated. I used to struggle really, really bad with Charlie horses, oddly enough, in my feet while on stage singing. So I'll be like in the middle of a song and just get this massive Charlie horse in my foot, and you kind of just have to play it off like nothing's wrong. But ever since I've started drinking Liquid IV on stage, my Charlie horses aren't there. So yeah, I am a fan of Liquid IV even before they sent me this stuff. So thank you so much, Liquid IV. I'm going to go make myself a hydration drink right now. Another new product that we're going to be trying today is the Lottie London Freckle Tint. This is a temporary faux freckle tint, and this is in the shade Deep. So it looks a little something like this. It looks like an eyeliner, and that is dark. I'm scared. I'm just going to go right in and see what happens. Okay, so this is really thin, so you'll be able to kind of tap it and thin it out a bit. And this is such a really easy way to get those faux freckles. I love my faux freckles. And then just to kind of put those more under the skin, I'm just putting a bronzer on top to kind of make it more sun-kissed looking. So there we go, faux freckles, super cute. All right, let's get started on this eye look. Okay, so I am really inspired by the colors of these brushes. So I think we're gonna do some pink, purple, and yellow. Yesterday, I tried to do this houndstooth pattern on my eye, and it just was way more difficult than I thought it was gonna be, and the look just did not turn out how I wanted it to. So I think we're gonna ixnay the houndstooth. Okay, so I'm just taking some liquid lipstick and kind of sketching out some funky shapes on my eye using this little liner brush here. Now I'm just taking a hot pink shadow and kind of blending that out a bit. Taking that shader brush, just applying some yellow. All right, and I know this said that it is a pointed lip brush and it's used for applying lipstick or lip liner, kind of defining the lip. I'm gonna use it as concealer today, and we are going to just kind of cut the shape out a little better and make it sharper. It is the perfect size for that. All right, so now I'm going back in with that pointer lip brush. I'm not butting this purple right up against that pink. I'm leaving some space in between because we're going to put a little yellow down. Now using the Glam Topper, this is perfect for loose glitter or like loose pigments. There is some purple glitter in this palette that I'm using, and we are just gonna place that right into the center of our lid. All right, so now we're just gonna take that crease brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit of a violet lilac-y shade and just blend this purple out a bit. All right, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of this like shimmery, glittery pink on this. I think they're calling this the detail brush. Yeah, I love these little bitty tiny like domed brushes like this. They're just so easy to get around the eye. And we're just gonna place a little bit of that right in here. I'm gonna outline this yellow liner with black just to kind of make everything pop a little more. All right, so I applied some lashes. These are Beat Gang lashes in the style Heavenly. I'm gonna go do my hair really quick, and then we'll be back to put on a lippy. And for my lips today, I'm gonna be using a new product that I just received in the mail yesterday. This is from a brand called Johnny Concert, and Johnny Concert was the second brand ever to send me any kind of PR or care package when I first started out on Instagram. So they hold a very, very dear place in my heart, and I just love their product. They were kind enough to send over a little box of products here. We have 3 of their Modit Timeless Liquid Lipsticks, which I have swatched already. On the back of my hand here, they are absolutely stunning. That berry shade is called Nocturnelle. The middle shade is called Choco Loco, if I'm not mistaken. And then the very last shade is called Ambrosia. And that is probably what we will be wearing on our lips today. But yeah, thank you so much, Johnny Concert, for sending me over that package. I love everything inside. But let's go ahead and use Ambrosia Modit Timeless Liquid Lipstick. So here's what it looks like outside of the packaging. And I'm wondering if I need to do a lip liner or not. I think I'm just gonna go right in. This is so nice and pillowy on the lips, you guys. And this is the final makeup look using the Moda Brushes Keep It Classy kits, as well as some other new products. I just want to say a big thank you to Johnny Concert, Liquid IV, Kiehl's, Lottie London, and of course, Moda Brushes for sending me all these goodies to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.